Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Fire Protection Design course. In this topic 2, we will study fire hydrant design. What is fire hydrant? How many types of hydrants are there? What is the latest hydrant design? And what are the authority requirements? Okay, before we study the detailed design of the fire hydrant, let's watch this movie. This is a fire breakout at Roadway Hotel, Singapore. Firefighters are taking water supply from the fire hydrant. Then they use the hose and connect the hose to the fire hydrant. Then they use this water to put out the fire. So generally, fire hydrant is a 50 in its free or other public place with a nozzle by which a fire hose may be accessed through a water main. So firefighters use this fire hydrant to put out the fire. In Singapore, there are 3 types of fire hydrant. These are called public hydrant. There are currently about 23,000 fire hydrants across Singapore, and they come in 3 versions as per SCDL website. So the first one is underground hydrants. So the hydrant you cannot see, and you can only see this signage, fire hydrant number. And the next one is very common one, double pillar hydrant. So this is a public hydrant with the hydrant number. And another one is triple pillar hydrant. So this triple pillar hydrant has 3 outlets. And the next one is private hydrant. Private hydrants are to be provided by building owners for the fire safety of their own buildings. So private hydrant belongs to the building owner. So normally the difference between the public hydrant and private hydrant is this yellow button. All private hydrants are provided with this yellow button for easy identification. And all these public hydrants are maintained by SCDL. So in this design, now we will study the design and provision of private hydrant. Identity behind the robust fire. So why all these firefighters can put out the fire completely? Because 3 nearest fire hydrants were malfunctioning. At the first fire hydrant, water was pumped coming out of the spindle valve instead of the outlets. Then the water flow in the second fire hydrant in front of the Robinson's department store was so weak that it was insufficient to combat the blaze that tore through the department store. And the third fire hydrant from across the department store had a 40 thread. So each time the firefighters were connected to the water supply, the adapter flew off. So this means at those times, fire hydrants were not properly maintained. So after and the prevention, so the stringent measures were taken after the fire incident to prevent such a tragedy from occurring. These measures include regular inspection of buildings, fire protection systems, law enforcement on fire safety to protect residential and commercial premises from fire, training members of the public to fight fire at initial stage, regular inspection of all fire hydrants in Singapore by SCDF. Today, all fire hydrants in Singapore are tested by SCDF at least once a year. For this inspection process takes about an hour for a team of 4 firefighters to test 3 fire hydrants, amounting up to about 28,000 man-hours each year. 24 hydrants per day. At least 10 teams of firefighters are testing hydrants every day. But nowadays, in Singapore, SCDF is trying to use the smart fire hydrants. Smart fire hydrants are fast and easy to operate. These are the components of smart fire hydrant. This is a hydrant arms and the control bars on the top and sensor box and at the base. So by using this sensor box, the integrated sensor send out automatic alerts on the actual pressure and flow of water, and these data are collected and monitored by both SCDF and PUB. So let's study the components of a conventional fire hydrant. There are 3 main components. This is valve chamber and valve, which is normally located underground. And second one is the pillar, the vertical pipe. Then the third one is outlets. So all these are outlets. So one private fire hydrants are required. In this video, we will just study the provision of private fire hydrants because public fire hydrants are provided and maintained by SCDF. So for new building, if there is any new building on your new development, private fire hydrants must be provided if there is no nearby public fire hydrant. As per SCDF Fire Code, every part of a fire engine access way and or fire engine access road shall be within an obstruction distance, an obstructed distance of 50 meters from a fire hydrant. This means there must be one fire hydrant at least 50 meters from the fire engine access road. Generally, we can say that maximum 100 meters between the 2 fire hydrants. So for this building, at this point here, there is public hydrant, but for this corner, it is more than 50 meters. So we have to provide one more private fire hydrant at this point B, and there is another private fire hydrant at point C. Then let's talk about the water supply to private hydrant. If the building level or this platform level out there, private hydrant is below 125 level, below 125 meter of the platform level, then we can take direct supply from the public hydrant. So we just run an underground pipe and one private hydrant here, another private hydrant here. Then next, if the building platform level or this platform level of the private hydrant is above 125 meter, then we have to provide our own hydrant tank and hydrant pumps, because if we connect to the public hydrant, we cannot have sufficient pressure and flow rate. So if we have to use private hydrant with storage tanks, we have to design the tank capacity and pump flow rate. If the birdie, let's say if this is the birdie, if the birdie is provided with the iron sight fire engine access way, then we have to provide ring underground, ring main for all fire hydrants. This is called ring fire hydrant pipes. Minimum pressure requirements of a private hydrant. As per SCDF Fire Code, Table 4.48, water supply and storage requirements for private hydrant, depending on the types of building. Public School 1, Public School 2, depending on the types of building, there are different minimum flow requirements, liter per second. For example, condominiums, we have to achieve minimum 27 liters per second for each hydrant. Then minimum running pressure must be 2 bars, and water storage must be sufficient for 45 minutes, which means the minimum tank capacity to be 72.9 meter cube. So different types of building has different flow requirement and different storage requirement. Locations of fire hydrant. So all the fire hydrant must be located beside fire engine access road and not more than 50 meters from any part of fire engine access road. For example, fire hydrant 1, fire hydrant 2, fire hydrant 3. So from the building, the distance to fire hydrant 1 is 50 meters, the distance to fire hydrant 2 is 50 meters. So generally we can say the distance between the two hydrants is 100 meters. So hydrant 2 to hydrant 3, 100 meters. And then for this corner, we don't need to have additional fire hydrant because the corner, this is the end of fire engine access road, which is 50 meters from fire hydrant 3. For the installation of the fire hydrant, we have to provide minimum 1 meter clearance along the hydrant so the firefighter has sufficient space to operate the fire hydrant. And then the fire hydrant must not be 1,000 meters or less to the building nearby. So here are the key takeaways for fire hydrant design. Location. Fire hydrant. Fire hydrant must be beside fire engine access road and easily visible. And must be not more than 15 meters from any part of fire engine access road. Okay, direct water supply from the POP main. Upon the level of private fire hydrant is below 125, then you can have direct water supply from POP main or nearby public hydrant. Water supply from hydrant tank and pumps. If the plafond at all private hydrant is more than 125, then you can have your own hydrant tank and pumps. For the operating flow and pressure of all private fire hydrants for both direct supply and pump supply, you must have minimum flow and pressure as indicated in Table 4.4 of the fire code, depending on the capability and largest floor area. All these are just for your general knowledge. Please refer to the latest code of practice or guidelines which authority may issue or update from time to time to ensure that design and installation comply with the latest requirements. In the next topic 3, we will study rising mains and dry riser. If you have any questions, you can mark your comments down below in the comment section. If you are interested in learning M&E design, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.